I'm Didac Mallorquin, Project Manager, expert on hardware and PLC programming from Aquatech, which is a tech company from Veolia Group, worldwide leader on ecologic transformation and digitalization. Barbados is a coral-made island located in the Caribbean Sea, with west coast on the warm Caribbean Sea and east coast touched by the Atlantic Ocean. That coral-made definition means that the underground is a complex network of galleries and underground rivers that provide almost the 100% of drinkable water to the citizens through wells. The location means that there is a hard weather condition every year, called wet season, where hurricanes and hard storms hit the island every year. Barbados Water Authority shut down all their equipment during these events to prevent damage and guarantee the after-events water service to all the island. Around 50 drinkable water stations provide water to the citizens of the different areas, and around 15 wastewater stations push the grey water to the main treatment plants. Each station includes a pumping system cabinet, which provides the energy to the actuators, and a control system cabinet, which provides the information and the automatic process control. This is implemented on an Allen Bradley programmable logic controller. The information updated on PLC memory is shared to the Barbados Water Authority main SCADA server, mainly via wired network, and backed with a 3G network provided by the local network company, and secured with OpenVPN certification. The SCADA main server runs an Ignition application on a non-graphical environment Linux operating system located on Amazon Web Services, which is Amazon Cloud Service with their own cybersecurity online. This main server runs the Ignition SCADA and centralizes the communications with all remote stations with its powerful driver, providing a 20 seconds update time for the 32,000 remote variables managed located on 65 PLC's memory. This architecture configuration guarantees the 99% of SCADA service online and keeps alive during weather shutdowns because it's not physically in the island. With SCADA always online and control cabinets powered by interrupted power supplies, guarantees the supervision of all the Barbados Water Authority network during hostile weather events. The main screen provides a general overview of the status of all remote stations on the island. Via different tooltips, some important information are shown. All the information shown can be personalized in runtime by user. The island is divided in 5 districts, where an hydraulic diagram represents the detail and every main signal is represented here. Let's focus now on a hydraulic diagram view. Every station has a property that sets its altitude. This is shown in the left rule and helps the operators to configure pump set points to allow the movement of the amount of water desired. Every signal represents one device. There is access to configure each device via pop-up. Right-click submenu provides fast access to set star signals and fast trending, everything personalized by user. Remote Station Pop-up provides general information and diagnostic of the process and allows operators to control each station on different ways. Nodes are present on all stations to allow operators to share information of each station between shifts. There are 3 shifts of operators every day. Alarms are recorded on all stations, and a fast access menu is being set to help operators to find the source of the problem. Historical alarms provide the operators the tools to find out what happened on a certain interval of time, and multiple filters allow to be more specific on the search. On General menu exists every signal historized on a PostgreSQL database, allowing all kinds of filtering and variables comparison. Dashboards allow operators to see all sensors groups by type. Star is always available to focus on those more important and personalized for each operator. Reservoirs dashboard is useful to see a general view of the water that arrives to the citizens. Energy control shows an overview of the energy used for each station. Summary view shows the general consume of the island and top 5 consumers are shown. The tilet view allows to see the energy status on each pumping station. Alarms dashboards shows statistics of alarms in order to detect concurrent issues and different casuistics that can occur. Communication dashboard is just an overview of each communication used by the BWA SCADA remote station network. Diagnostics represents a general overview of the server status. It is robust to big amount of users since the resources are taken for each computer instead of main server. That is the complete operators tool used to control water service in the island. Another application is being designed to help the maintenance task using Perspective. Each corporative cell phone of SCADA and maintenance team is provided with OpenVPN credentials and BWA Perspective application. This application is oriented to have a record of the maintenance task and to share new issues that has to be solved between operators and maintenance department. When an issue is detected by an operator, it is shared with the SCADA supervisor. That profile updates the task list with an open issue associated to a station with a priority. Depending on the amount of work or its physical actual location, an unsolved task is taken by one of the maintenance team, who can solve the task or add comments if it's needed. Record of all historical tasks is maintained. This application allows the maintenance users to monitor the status of each device of each remote station. Maintenance user can see the detail of each station by scanning a QR code or looking the station on the map. A general overview of each signal can be supervised via Perspective shown as a list. By expanding button, more information appears, even the possibility to control pumping stations just like an operator, but with a simplified view. These features provide the maintenance team the feedback of their electromechanical action responding an issue. Flipping the cell phone provides an hydraulic view of the station concerned. That is the solution implemented on Barbados with the Barbados Water Authority. Special thanks to Argal Maynard, SCADA engineer of BWA, Anderson Spencer, SCADA supervisor of BWA, Linksview for architecture implementation support, InHand for remote stations communication solution, Abdallah Lager, SCADA designer from Aquatech, and Jorge Boluda, SCADA designer from Aquatech. The implementation of the project has generated numerous significant benefits for BWA. Ignition's compatibility with any type and version of operating system has reduced software upgrades costs and maintenance tasks for the IT department. Ignition's unlimited licensing model has allowed the system to be scaled and expanded without additional expenses. The SCADA has allowed operators to access the system in real time from their cell phones, streamlining maintenance tasks and optimizing operations. All of this has led BWA to improve the quality of its service and operation, resulting in a more reliable and sustainable water supply for the residents of Barbados.